What's up, guys? What's up, guys? It's me, Rush, and in today's video, I will be showing you how to make any item small. It's really easy, and you can get it as small as you want. It's super cool. Okay. Alright, you need your chosen item, like just your item of choice, a piece of goop, and a stick. Okay, you pick up the goop and put it on the stick. And then you put your item of choice onto the stick. And then you walk over here and go into the stash and then walk out. And look, you have a baby like thing. And then you can keep getting it even smaller. And you can get it as small as it goes. Look how tiny it is. Alright, I'm only doing this. I'm only getting this one more tinier. OMG. Dude, nobody knows. Like, oh my god, it's so tiny. Oh my god. Jesus. But the explosion is so big. And yes, this does work in public lobbies. Alright, yeah, let's try a different item. Let's say... what's something that costs a lot of money? Actually, I have an idea. I can make something super cool, like smaller. Oh my god, wait. This is gonna be so smart. Hold on. This bad boy. Oh my god. Now you guys will see truly that this glitch works. It's a baby! Continue the process. Okay, that's big enough. Okay. Yo, let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Hold on. I think I have ammo unlocked. Oh! Hold on. Can you even load that? Oh my god, I have to bring this into a public lobby. Boing. Oh my god. So funny. Dude, this glitch. Alright, I don't know if it saves. Does it save? Okay. Alright, it's okay. Okay. So if you want it smaller, you just need the racist. Okay, hold on. We'll even try this in a public lobby for you guys. That lobby was not glitched. Okay.
Bro, you're welcome, bro.
Actually, no, snails do kill.
Go bitch ass nigga.
Bro, you killed me!
You killed me!
The weapon is
not even hit!
The weapon is not even hit! But you killed me, bro.
It's in the void.
Why did you kill me?
How small does a
Can
pig
somebody get...
Alright, so let's see.
Hey, if you don't mind, can I get a pickaxe?
I need...
I can give you a pickaxe, bro.
Wait,
I can give you a
it's some
pickaxe.
sort of stick.
Come here.
Stick, okay.
Bro, look at this cursed crossbow, bro. What is this?
I do not recommend doing this in public lobbies.
Cursed crossbow?
They can steal it.
Hold on. I didn't grab it. Wait, wasn't I? Wait.
I'll miss.
Wait, is it okay if it's the same pickaxe I gave
Come
you?
on,
L-aim.
fine. Can I have it back,
Yeah,
please?
L-aim, bro. L-aim.
F you, bro. Like,
I hate you.
bro.
And now that is the end of today's video. I just like to say one thing. I'm pretty sure that other people can't see it. I'll show you another glitch soon. Alright. Rush out.